Wherever you want to go, your ID will be happy to guide you there. Simply use voice control and say where you want to go, or enter your destination in your infotainment system. Start navigation by selecting one of the suggested destinations in the navigation menu. Here, you will also find useful points of interest, such as charging stations or parking spaces. Under Search, you can also enter a destination manually. Tap the heart to make any destination a favorite. Under Favorites, you can set up quick access for your home or your workplace address. Of course, you can also remove entries from the search or your favorites again. You can also start navigation without entering a text. Simply tell your IDA voice assistant where you want to go. Your ID also offers convenience on longer trips. The route planner automatically takes the charge level into account. Based on your driving behavior, appropriate charging points are planned along the route and adjusted during the journey. In this way, you will always find a charging station within your range. Here, you can see an overview of all planned charging stops with the relevant time to arrival and the charging duration. Particularly handy, you can also set the remaining range just as you wish. When you approach a planned fast charging stop, your battery will automatically be prepared so that your ID can charge as quickly as possible. Driving instructions are displayed on the infotainment screen and, right in your field of vision, on your AR head-up display. Here you can see exactly where to turn. The smart navigation in your ID keeps an eye on your route and your battery.
Volkswagen.